realized when we finished writing Patawad na kung mahirap man magpaalam, mas mahirap magpatawad. Mahirap magpatawad ng mga mahal mo, mahirap magpatawad ng sarili. So there are times I wake up replaying everything I did wrong. It was really one of my notes to self that I have to forgive myself. And I have to forgive my past. And a lot of people don't give people chances. But everyone changes. And
Right. And sometimes we give other people chances, but not ourselves.
yes, Patawad is about boundaries.
In one of your tweets, I think you were quoted to have said, you wrote, bakit mas maraming nagpapaalam kaysa sa nagpapatawad? That's true, no?
It's very true. And mas madaling umalis kaysa i-point yung blind spots ng mga mahal natin sa buhay. Imbes na i-point natin yon and make that person feel that, hey, I wanna protect you, I wanna love you. Pag nasaktan tayo pero nakita natin na ganun, aalis na lang tayo. And